Hi, lastest video we learned about the technology and standards of the fluorescent fabrics. This time, let's look at the various styles of high visibility workwear. The high visibility workwear styles according to professional requirements and styles. High visibility vest, fast and easy to wear, suitable for traffic police, night police, and construction workers. High visibility polo shirt, light, breathable, suitable for the elderly, children, bicyclists, traveler and other people to wear in summer. High visibility suit. It can add many functions, such as flame retardant, waterproof, anti-static, arc-proof and so on. It is more suitable for environmental sanitation workers, construction workers and workers working in the night or dark scenes. High visibility coveralls. In addition to the variety of functions, the high visibility coveralls is more protective than the other garments, and is more suitable for smelting, oil, electric power, fire protection and other professional industries. As the leader of the domestic functional textile industry, Xinxiang Yulong Textile Co. Limited was founded in 2002, which is specialized in manufacturing all kinds of functional fabric which take FR fabric, high visibility fabric as leading products and safety protective garments for many years.